Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new column on the lists.live.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website, and after that you should tap on this add the column button at the top, then tap on continue, type in the name of your column, add the description, select the type, then the default unit and click on the save button, and then a new column has been added, as you can see, so you can add items to it as well. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.